Hello guys, I hope you are fine. So today we'll be starting a new topic and new concept. So let us see what is a new topic and new concept. So today we'll be learning 5-digit multiplication sums, how to do with some tricks. So our first sum is 68072 into 39541. So students, first let us learn the formula. The formula is same here also. The first we have to divide the up number with the down number, or multiply the up number with the down, or the down number with the up number. Then we have to cross multiplication. Then in the third step we have to do the the last three numbers corners and the middle multiplication. In the fourth step, what you have to do, the last four digits you have to cross multiply the corners, then the middle corners you have to do. In the fifth step, since it is a 5-digit multiplication, so we have to first do the corners, then from the corners the second place we have to multiply, means cross multiplications, and then the between. Then the same from the step number 4, 3, 2, 1, we have to reverse it. So I know it will be very confusing for you all to remember so many things. So I have brought an easy step for you all to do this. So what is the thing? You have to remember the arrows. If it is step 1, 1 arrow means first line. Step 2, 2 numbers. Like that. Then till 5 you came. Then 6 means you have to remember 4. 7 means 3. 8 means 2. 9 means only one number. So this thing we'll be doing step by step. So let us see. First step 1. This one. Down number with the up number, that is 2. So 0, 2. So here nothing will be carried. 0 means no, nothing. Then cross multiplication, 4 and 2, that will give you 8, plus 7 plus 1 will give you 7, which will be equal to 15. Then 5 we write here. Then step 3, these three numbers, 5 into 2 is 10, plus 1 into 0 is 0, and then 7 into 4 will give you 28, plus this 1, which will give you 39. Then step 4, this 9 will be writing here, 3 is carried over here. Then 4 digit, put your hand so that it don't become confusing for you all. Then what you will be doing is 9 and 2 will give you 18. 8 into 1, 8, plus 7 into 5, 35, plus 4 into 0, 0. So this will be equal to 64. We will be writing 4, 6 it carried over here. Then corners, 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 1, 6, 9 into 7 will give you 63, plus 8 into 4, 32, plus 5 into 0, 0, which will be equals to 113. We will be writing the 3 here. 11 gets carried. Now this 2 we will forget. 7 into 3, 21. Then 6 into 4 will give you 24. 21 plus 24 plus 8 into 5, 40. 9 into 0 will give you 0, which will be equal to 96. We will be writing the 6 here. 9 is carried over here. In the 7, 3 digit, 3 into 0 is 0, plus 6 into 5 will give you 30. 8 into 9 will give you 72, which will be equal to 111. Then we will be writing 1. This 11 will be carried over here in the 8th step. In the 8th step only cross. So 8 into 3 is 24, plus 6 into 9 will give you 54, which will be equal to 89. Then 9 in the means in the we'll be writing 9 here, and step number 9, this 8 is carried, plus 6 into 3 is 18, which give you 26. So our answer have come 269193495 This is our answer. So you have to be very careful here. So please give the arrows. Remember that in step 1, 1 means 1 digit, 2, 2 digit, 3, 3 digit, 4, 4 digit, 5, 5 digit. From the 6th digit you have to count again 4 digit. It means 6 will give you 4, 7 will give you 3, 8 will give you 2, 9 will give you 1. That's only you have to remember like that. So this was our sum. So I repeat the sum again for you all. We have done the up number with the down number multiplication, then cross multiplication, then the last 3 digits corners cross multiplication with the middle one, then the last 4 digits we have done the corners cross multiplication with the middle cross multiplication. Then in the 5th step we have done the corners cross multiplication. Then the 2nd and the 4th digit from the last or from the first, you can say, we have done the cross multiplication with the middle one. Then again in the 6th step we have from the first 4 digits we have cross multiplication with the middle one. In the 7th step we have done the first 3 digits cross multiplication with the middle one. Then in the first 2 digit we have cross multiplied, and in the 9th step we have done the up or down multiplication. So this is how we got the answer. So now we'll be moving with the second sum, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 2, 4, 2, 1, 3. So we'll be following the same steps. Up number, first let us write step 1, up number with the down number, that give you 15. 5 we write here, then 1 carried. Then we have done the cross multiplication. 1 and 5, 4 into 1 into 5, 5, 4 into 3 will give you 12, that will give you 18. We write 8, 1 is carried here. Then what we have done from the last 3, cross multiplication with the middle one. So 3 into 3 will give you 9, plus 2 into 5 will give you 10, plus 4 into 1 will give you 4, that will give you 24. 4, 2 will be carried here in the 4th step. Then in the 4th step, from the last 4 corners cross multiplication with the middle cross multiplication. So 4 into 5 will give you 20. Then 3 into 2 will give you 6. 4 into 2 8. 3 into 1 3, which will give you 39. 9 we write here. 5 in the 5th step, 3 is carried. Then we'll do the whole corners cross multiplication, then the 2nd and the 4th cross multiplication with the middle one. So 3 into 1 will give you 3, 5 into 2 10, 2 into 1 2, 4 into 4 16, plus 3 into 2 will give you 6. Then this answer will give you 40. So we write 0 in the 6th step. 4 is carried. There what we have done in the 6th step, from the first, as I have said you. So then 1 into 1 1, 4 into 2 8, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 4 will give you 12. So this will total be equal to 29. 9, 2 carried away, plus then what we have done in the 7th step, first 3 digits. So 3 into 2 6, plus 1 into 2 2, 4 into 2 8, that will give you 18. It is carried. In the 8th step we write 1, plus first 2 digit cross multiplication. So 2 into 2 4, 1 into 4 4, 9. So here 1 2s are 2. So this is the answer what we got 29 crore 89 lakhs 9485. So today we have learned two sums of 5-digit multiplication with some tricks. Hope you have liked it. So keep practicing. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So today I am ending up with this much only. Meet you in my next video with new concept. So till then, bye bye, stay safe and stay at home.